In a big, busy town of Willowbrook lived a cheerful boy named Toby. Toby didn't have the fanciest toys or the newest shoes. But he had something special. He always said thank you. He said it to the bus driver. He said it to the lunch lady. He even said it to the old gardener who swept leaves outside his school. One chilly morning, Toby noticed the gardener struggling with a heavy bag of leaves. Toby ran over and held the door open. "Thank you, young man," the gardener said. Toby smiled. "No, thank you for keeping our school clean." He didn't know it, but that tiny moment was about to change everything. A week later, Toby received a strange envelope in his backpack. No name, no stamp, just a shiny gold sticker shaped like a leaf. Inside was a note. "You are invited to a special event. Come to the school garden after class." Toby's heart thumped. Was he in trouble? Was it a prank? Was someone watching him? He almost didn't go, but curiosity won. When Toby stepped into the garden, he gasped. Fairy lights twinkled in the trees. A long table was covered in colorful snacks. Teachers, students, and even the principal were there, and right in the middle stood the old gardener. But he didn't look old anymore. He stood tall, smiling proudly, wearing a shiny badge that said, "Mr. Oakley School Founder." Toby's mouth dropped open. Mr. Oakley stepped forward. "Toby," he said, "I've watched hundreds of children walk through this school, but you are the first child in years who thanked me for my work." Everyone turned to look at Toby. Mr. Oakley continued, "Your gratitude reminded me why I built this school, and because of your kindness, I want to give you something." He handed Toby a small wooden box. Inside was a golden key. "What does it open?" Toby whispered. Mr. Oakley smiled mysteriously. "That," he said, "is for you to discover." The next morning, Toby walked into school and froze. A door he had never seen before was glowing at the end of the hallway. No handle, no sign, just a tiny golden keyhole. Toby's heart raced. He took out the key. It fit perfectly. The door swung open. Behind it was a room filled with books, inventions, art supplies, and tools, a secret creativity lab built by Mr. Oakley years ago, a place only opened for children who showed true character, a place for dreamers, a place for leaders, a place for kids like Toby. From that day on, Toby learned that gratitude is a key. You never know which door it will open.